Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News, and this is Hena Talati. Category storm Shaheen was expected to intensify into a Category 1 tropical cyclone in next 24 hours and directly impact coastal areas including the capital Muscat in Oman from Sunday, city's civil aviation authority said. The center of the storm is about 650 kilometers away from Muscat and the closest convective clouds band associated with the storm is about 500 kilometers away. Rough seas are expected to start from Saturday evening between South Al-Sharika and Musadan, with waves reaching heights of 8 to 12 meters, the civil aviation authority said. The public was advised to take precautions, keep away from the low-lying areas and avoid crossing wadis or valleys. Cyclonic storm Shaheen was moving away from the Indian coast and its impact will not be felt on the mainland, the Indian Meteorological Department said on October 1. Shaheen on Arabian Sea moved west-northwestwards at about 20 kilometers per hour in early hours of October 1. By early morning, it was in the center parts of the North Arabian Sea, some 440 kilometers west-northwest away from the Dwarka, Gujarat. It is very likely to further intensify into a severe cyclonic storm during next 12 hours and move west-northwestwards, skirting Makran coast during next 36 hours. Thereafter, it is likely to recurve west-southwestwards, move towards Oman coast across Gulf of Oman and weaken gradually. The Met Department added that as the system is moving away from the Indian coast, no further impacts is likely over the Indian mainland. Professor at the Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay said the sea surface temperatures was not too high, the wind shear was moderate and the Madden-Julian oscillation was also not very favorable. The tropical depression deepened in tropical storm Shaheen in the northeast in the Arabian Sea along the Indian-Pakistani coast on Friday and centered at 23.3 degrees north latitude and 64.4 degrees east longitude. Accompanied with the different types of the clouds associated with the rainy convective clouds with different intensities and strong winds over Arabian Sea with the speed at center from 65 to 115 kilometers per hour, the Met Office said. On the impact over UAE, it is expected that the eastern coast will be affected from Saturday night with a storm surge, especially with the period of high tide at low areas. From Sunday afternoon and evening, some regions of the country will be affected with the extension of tropical situation, especially the eastern and southern regions where convective clouds will be associated with the rain in different intensity that leads to flash floods in the valleys and torrents, and water will accumulate in some low-lying areas. There will be fresh to strong winds causing blowing dust and sand, reducing horizontal visibility, especially with convective clouds. The sea state in the Oman Sea will become rough to very rough, which will cause the sea water to enter into the eastern coastal areas in the low-lying areas, and the sea will be rough at times northward in the Arabian Gulf. The Met Office is monitoring the tropical situation around the clock and urge the public to follow up the official reports, instructions and warnings from the local authorities. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Hena Talati. For more weather updates like this, and please subscribe our channel.